blackout continues in some parts of our region this afternoon. Wind knocked out power for thousands of people last night, and now crews are cleaning up the damage in places like Lackawanna. News 4's Katie Alexander has a look.
Around the area of Cleveland and Electric, you'll see a lot of debris like this. Things blown around by the wind last night, now littering the street. Across the street, there's a lot more cleanup to do.
Unbelievable. The wind was bad.
That wind left this behind. The roof completely torn off this collision shop, and it took out quite a few wires when it went. In all, more than 5,000 people in Erie County lost power last night, and most didn't get it back until early this morning. Throughout the day, crews have continued to work around the area making repairs, even as the wind continues to blow. Still, this is nothing compared to the gusts from last night.
The wind was horrific. Thank God I had a new roof put on. I moved in 3 years ago and I had a new roof put on, and I had a energy efficient furnace put in. So I knew the furnace would kick on as soon as the electricity went, and I knew my roof was good.
Sort of important living around here, right?
Let me tell. Well, you know, I grew up. I was born and raised here in Lackawanna, and you put up with this.
Neighbors tell us when the power went out here last night, everyone jumped into action to make sure their neighbors were okay, and police were directing traffic on the busy roads. Now we want to know what you've seen following yesterday's windy weather. Send us your reported pictures. Just use the Report It tab on our website, WIVB.com, or tweet us at News 4 Buffalo. Reporting in Lackawanna, Katie Alexander, News 4.